Hey, what's up guys? How you guys doing? Welcome back to another review video. Actually gonna be reviewing this cool little air conditioner here. This is the Altic Air. I'm gonna give this thing a try. It says it's supposed to give you some cool air, 2 times cooler power. So let's give this thing a try. I guess you're supposed to just pour water and stuff on it. I'm not too sure. It's actually my first time actually seeing this thing. I got this from a Walmart. It was about like $39.99 for this little gadget here. So let's give it a try. Hopefully it works. I'm actually going to California in like 2 days, so hopefully this will kind of work and stuff. It actually says it cleans out the air and all that stuff too, like put a little bit of moisture and stuff into the air. But let's unbox this thing and let's see all the goodies inside and see how this thing works. First thing you open up, you see the little manual here. You got a little couple instructions here, and just like a little filter here. So teach you how to clean it and all that good stuff, and how to work with all the stuff here. You got a number. If you got any problems, you can contact them right there. And yeah, if you want, you can read this book here. You can just go online on YouTube and figure out how to mess with this thing yourself. So let's unbox everything here. Here goes the little plug for it here. So right now I'm inside a camper van. I'm actually reviewing this, but we're gonna have to plug this in. So we're gonna have to take this whole gadget inside once we unbox it here. All right. Got everything out the box here. Just making sure there ain't nothing else in here. Alright. Everything out of there. And here's the gadget underneath all this plastic here. So let's rip all this plastic out. And let's get to the main gadget here. Well, it's actually something, it's just a little freshener pack with gels in there. It's actually trash. And you can just peel this little sticker off of the top here. There's a little sticker to keep it from getting scratched. But we don't care about it getting scratched as long as it works and cools down. So far this little thing is cool. I guess this right here where you will open up right here. And you can add the water and everything right there. Just in there. Got a little lid you can open, close it. And this I guess is for the vent here. Oh no, this is for like the angles you want to adjust the window go. You can just move this up and down. Doesn't go sideways, it just goes up and down. And it's like another tray. You can pull it out here, and this is actually the filter here. So guys, this is the filter. You would have to probably clean this. I don't know how often you gotta clean it. It probably tells you up here. It says 3 to 6 months. You clean this filter out, you buy a new one, or you could probably wash it out. But we get to that later on. It's brand new, so we ain't gonna have to clean that up quite a while. So let's set this thing up here. If I could remember how I took this thing out of here. Like this little track that just slides in there. Yeah, and it goes just like that. Just slide it back in there. And booyah. Alright. See how this thing works. I'm trying to find a little plug where you plug down a little wire at. Oh, it's right here in the top. So small, I almost kind of missed the plug, but you got the little carving right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but just that little tiny hole. That's where you would actually plug this thing up at. I'm not gonna unwrap this wire fully. So take this thing inside, plug it up to the wall socket. I actually don't got my box inside this van right now, so we're gonna test this thing out inside the house. I really wanted to test it out inside the van to see how cool it kind of cools the van down, but obviously we ain't gonna be able to check it out right now because you gotta plug this thing up. And I actually got all my stuff already packed up for my trip, so I don't want to unbox everything out just to unplug this thing up. I thought it was gonna take batteries also, so I thought we could test it out like that. I didn't know it was just gonna be this little plug here. But let's go inside, let's get this thing plugged up and put some water in it, and let's see how cold this thing blows some air out of it. So go test it out. Let's go get our stuff ready. So guys, I'm here inside the house now. I'm actually gonna plug this up right here inside the kitchen and test this thing out here. It's closer to the water, so it's easier for us to test it out. And let's add some water inside this little pocket here, and turn this thing on and see how cool this thing gets coming out this little vent right here in the front. Guys, it just got me a nice cold water here, and I'm gonna open this water up and start pouring this thing inside this little tank here. I'm gonna fill her up. And take some whole water bottle to fill this whole thing up. It's actually filled up to the max right now with some nice cold water. Actually got a little max little line right here that kind of notifies you. Just close that up, and let's turn this thing on. You see a blue little light come on. Oh, that's if you want to just have a nice little dim light here. You can keep that on though. Just open this vent up. And right now I got it on the 3rd level here. It kind of feels just like a fan right now. I don't feel any coldness coming in yet. Oh yeah, it's actually starting to get a little colder now. I'm not gonna say it's cold like an air conditioner will be, but you can definitely feel some cold air coming out of here. A little bit more than what a fan would throw out. I'm just letting it run for a while. Actually got a few settings here. Just put it on low. This is number 1 setting here. You see the one little light there. Now once I put it onto number, oh, should shut it off. So it's turning back on. So it's back onto the 3rd one. Once you turn it back on, that's like the highest speed you can put it on the 3rd one. Then you can switch it to the 2nd one. That's like mid speed. And then like the 1st one, you already know that. That's the lowest speed you can put. And let me click one more time to shut the whole machine off. But we're gonna turn it on and let this thing run for a little bit and see how cold it gets just in here. Just got my hand here, just trying to keep feeling it. See if it gets any colder than it is now. It is blowing some cool air. I'm not gonna say it's freezing air coming out of here, but it's definitely some cold air coming out of it. Like that's a little bit coming out of there. It's a little closer. And that's on the 3rd speed. Just shut the light off there. Guys, I actually thought it was gonna work for us, but obviously it's not. It's just blowing a little bit cooler than what a fan would blow. But I thought it was actually gonna blow a little bit sort of like an air conditioner, but it kind of failed me. I thought about me adding some super cold water here. The water was a little bit slushy-ish, and I added it inside a little tank here. Thought it was gonna actually make it get colder, but it didn't even get colder. There's still the same wind coming out of it here. And yeah, this is a little dud here. This was a seen on TV little product here, and yeah, I don't think it's really worth the 40 bucks. I think for a lower price, probably will be probably like $20-25 for this little gadget here, and then it'd be worth it. But $40, it ain't worth the 40 bucks because I actually thought it was gonna work for us. I'm not too sure if it's really gonna work for us. We gotta test this thing out inside the van, but I can't test it out right now because I packed everything up already, and I'm about to hit out the road like in 2 days. So once we out on the road, we get this thing another try and see how it works from there. We're gonna actually test this thing out inside a camper van, and hopefully this is a dud. I mean, hopefully it's a good deal, because I mean right now it's a dud. I mean, just testing it out here and just seeing what it is. I mean, it just feels like a good fan just blowing out some air. Doesn't feel like a little air conditioner like it was supposed to be. Like it says 2 times cooler, but they lie about that. This is all the stuff here, the little pictures and stuff with people enjoying this little box here, and you can tell there's some old pictures. They probably pay these people here just to get these pictures, because this little gadget here, I thought it was worth my bucks, and obviously it's a fail. But let's give it another try inside a camper van before we fully get this thing on fill and the thumbs down. I mean, just make sure this thing works inside the van once we be out there on the road. Because if not, I'm just gonna have to take that $40 loss and just, I mean, learn from my mistakes, learn from my lessons. But we wanted to try this so bad, and finally we got it. And it ain't what it seems like we thought it would have been like. You can see like the wind on it. I'm actually gonna put a little paper right here so you can see. I can't really see it move, but I'll put this little bottle here and we're gonna see the pressure of the wind blow it away. So it's not really that strong. I'm gonna put it back over here, show you guys again. And that's right next to the vent there. Let me see how more closer. So it blew the bottle out a little bit. And this is an empty water bottle, so it doesn't have anything in it. Just showing y'all guys that it does blow some nice little wind out of it. Kind of like a nice big fan. But it's not like an air conditioner like they was kind of showing it like. But I hope y'all guys enjoyed it still. It's cool just unboxing it, checking it out, seeing what it was. What was the size on it, how it looked in person, because I never got to see this thing in person. I only seen the picture from the box. And it is a kind of small little gadget here. It ain't nothing too big, but it ain't worth the money and stuff like that, I'll tell you that. So we're gonna wrap this thing up, clean this all up here, unplug everything, drain this water out, and I'll see you guys from here. And we're gonna test this thing out a few weeks from now, and test it outside the camper van and see how it works with us inside the camper van. Hopefully it works a little bit better than what it did today. But I'll see you guys. Hope y'all guys enjoyed watching. I had a good time showing y'all guys a little cool little air conditioner here. And yeah, definitely had an amazing time. But we're about to wrap it up. See you guys in the next adventures. Make sure y'all guys go subscribe. Go turn on the notification bell. But see you guys next time. Peace. And I'll see you on the next adventures.